Sometimes you can't be able to open Windows software such as email, Store, Cortana, calculator, voice recorder, and other like cameras. As there are several solutions, in order to get those, you must remember two things. Update is essential for your computer, which brings the hotfix as well as make the application updated and stable. Other thing is your time and date. If it is not okay, the software may malfunction and you can be able to use it properly. So you have to make 100% okay with those issues. In order to solve the application issue, press Windows plus R to open the run dialog. Then run the dialog opens and enters, just type service.msc and press enter or click OK. Locate Windows Update on the list of the service. Make sure that startup type is set to manual or automatic. When the properties windows opens, find the startup type selection and select manual or automatic from the list. And then go to the Windows Update from the settings app. Then check for any updates and let it do all. Apply OK and restart if needed. Hope it will fix the issue. You can try the other troubleshooter settings like go troubleshoot settings and then additional troubleshooter, then Windows Store app and start troubleshooter. It will take a while if you have many apps installed, but in the end try to open the apps that are not opening and see if the issue has been fixed. And also make sure your apps are up to date from the Microsoft App Store. Just press download and update all the apps needed. It will solve the issue. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you all will love it. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and see you all soon. Peace.